Hello guys, welcome to Pantex Solutions. Today we are going to see the project called Blind Navigation System. For that here we are using Raspberry Pi as a core system, and for distance measurement for our obstacle detection we are using ultrasonic sensor which will be interfaced in this walking stick, and also I interfaced one USB camera which is connected here. So, and also to navigate the blind people I will just connected one earphones here. Okay. Main concept of the project is like the ultrasonic get interfaced with the walking stick of a blind person. Whenever any obstacle detector, first it will recognize the object which is in front of the blind person, and also if it will recognize the face of a person. If face matches with his friend, or like by their databases, if face matches with your friend, it will system will share like Sanjay detected, or any X person detected. Or else if there is any obstacle get recognized and it will reported as a voice command. Every report can be sent as a voice command. Now I'm just gonna run the code. Before that, here there is a code. There are multiple codes which is face recognize and create data and cam find in main.py. Normally before that we have to create some data sets. First we'll see the data sets, like which is nothing but this relatives or blind person relatives or some other thing. Here I'm having one person's data set which is named as Karthik, and Rahi and Sanjay, which is three persons. Before that, if we have to make one person as a authenticated person or known person, first we have to open a create data known person, and we just want to run the code like create database. Before that we have to rename the folder, and we have to create a folder in the same name. So now I'm just created one folder called Raja, it is empty. I'm just gonna create a database of my friend Raja. So just run the code. Actually to increase the accuracy we'll be capturing more number of image. Here I'm gonna capture 31 picture of my friend Raja. Capture image. So in the left panel it is capturing number of images 1 2 3 4 5 like this, so that it will capture 31 images now. To increase have a more accuracy, number of images captured should be increased. Now it will capture up to 31 images. Just to wait. So in the messages it shows data sets ready for your face. So we made Raja as a known person. Now we have to close the create data code and we have to go back again. So here there is a face recognition code and everything, but before that we'll be running main code, which is nothing but this process will occur like whenever ultrasonic gets detected, like whenever any obstacle get detected, it will first try to recognize the object in front of the camera, and if any object get detected, it gets recognized and intimate as a voice command, and it will go for a face recognition command. If there is no face, then it will say like no person, no face is there, you can go, like that it will intimate it as a voice command. I'm just gonna run the code. Here now it shows distance with some other centimeter, and it shows no obstacle is there. Okay, now I'm just gonna give some obstacle in front of the ultrasonic sensor to intimate some of the object or some of the person get interrupted in the way of the blind person. So now I'm just showing my hand. So it shows that obstacle detected. So detected object is face and person. Here it shows face and person because Raja is sitting in front of the camera. That is, which is nothing but in front of the camera. Raja is standing there. So there is no object. So it's trying to detecting the face. here it already it will try to train the previous data sets, and now it's detected. And also by interfacing this earphones, every commands will be given as a voice command, like no obstacle detected. If there is any obstacle, it will intimate as a obstacle detected. And also what is the obstacle which is in front of the camera, and also what is the face which is recognized, either Raja is in front of a blind person or anything. Okay, thank you.